Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee in a blender. First, gather your essential items: fresh whole coffee beans, clean water, and a sturdy blender. Make sure your blender is completely clean before you begin. Next, measure out your whole coffee beans. A good starting point is about 1/4 cup of beans for every 2 cups of water, but adjust to your taste. Now, let's get blending. Place your whole coffee beans into the blender and pulse until they reach a fine, consistent grind. Be careful not to overblend and heat the beans. Next, heat your water to approximately 200 degrees Fahrenheit just before it boils. Carefully pour the hot water over the ground coffee in the blender. Secure the lid tightly. Allow the coffee and water mixture to steep in the blender for about 4 to 5 minutes. This steeping time helps extract the rich flavors. Once steeped, carefully pour the coffee through a fine mesh strainer into your mug or carafe. For an even smoother cup, you can line your strainer with a piece of cheesecloth to catch any remaining fine grounds. Your homemade blender coffee is now ready to enjoy. Feel free to customize it with your favorite additions like milk, sugar, or a dash of cinnamon. Remember to clean your blender right away to prevent coffee residue from drying. It's a simple way to enjoy fresh coffee without a traditional machine. Check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, easy-to-make brew.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.